In today's video, I will walk you through how to add logo to PayPal invoice. To begin, open your web browser and go to your PayPal account summary page. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Activity tab. Inside the Activity section, you will see your recent transactions and invoices. Browse through the list and locate the invoice you want to edit. You can identify the correct invoice by checking the date or the invoice type connected to it. After finding the invoice, click on it to open the available options for that invoice. Once the invoice page opens, look for the More Actions button. Click on it to display additional options. From the menu, select Edit Invoice. This will take you to the invoice editing screen where you can customize the invoice details. On the editing page, look for the pencil icon. Click on the pencil icon to continue to the section where you can edit the invoice information. After selecting the pencil icon, locate the area labeled Add Logo. Click on Add Logo to begin uploading your logo image. You will then be prompted to choose an image file from your device. Select the logo file you want to use for the invoice. After the image uploads, review the invoice preview to make sure the logo appears correctly on the invoice layout. If everything looks correct, save your changes to apply the logo to the invoice. Once the changes are saved, the invoice will display the uploaded logo as part of the updated invoice design. The process mainly involves navigating through the Activity tab, opening the correct invoice, selecting More Actions, and choosing the Edit Invoice option. From there, using the pencil icon will take you to the Editing section, where you can select Add Logo and upload your image file. After uploading the logo, reviewing the preview helps confirm that the image appears properly before saving the final changes. Once the invoice is saved, the uploaded logo will remain attached to the invoice layout. You can repeat the same process for other invoices whenever you need to update or customize them with a logo image. That's all you need to do to add a logo to a PayPal invoice. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you customize your PayPal invoices successfully.